Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use your United Healthcare U-Card as a payment method at Walmart. First, go to walmart.com and sign in to your account. If you don't have one, you can easily create it. Once logged in, click on your account name at the top right, then select Account. In your account dashboard, go to Settings. Under Wallet, you'll see all available payment options. Click on Benefit Card. This is the option we'll be using. Now, click on Benefit Card again. Enter your UCard number and hit Save. Once saved, your United Healthcare UCard will show up as a payment option whenever you shop on Walmart. And that's it. That's how to use your U-Card to pay at Walmart. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.